friends? Dillon here. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Got off work today and thought I'd do a little improving. As you know, I've had problems with freaking birds building in my carport. Well, I've went 2 or 3 different measures. I've tried the tough stuff, which makes a damn gluey freaking mess. And then they started building down in the channels of my carport, so I used cheapest resource possible and most accessible, empty beer cans, which seemed to work. And that's why I had to use the tough stuff, because it's building up there. But so far today, nothing's happened, but it's a cool day. But I thought I'd go ahead and fill the channels, the rest of the channels in my carport with beer cans. It took 8 to get across the first one. And that's how I put them in there. That keeps them from having a cove to put, you know what I'm talking about. But I saved up all my beer cans. I estimated for all the cross members in my carport, I figured probably 30 cans. So I started saving last night. I got 40. So I'm going to have 10 extra I'm going to have to crush and carry up to the shed to haul off when the price goes up. It did go up here lately. It went from 41 cents to 43 cents a pound. I'm telling you, by George, back a few years ago, it went up to 80-something cents a pound. Man, I cashed in. That's how I bought the Mercedes. I almost said Beamer. What the hell's wrong with me? Give me another beer. Good God, that's good, man. Budweiser, for crying out loud, it's delicious. By God, it should be outlawed, but I'm glad it ain't. Well, I'm going to keep doing this until I fall off the truck. Y'all have a good one.